Now more than ever, in schools, workplaces, social places, we're thinking about the quality and safety of the air we breathe. So let's clear the air about cleaning for health and help ProTeam vacuums improve IAQ. What is IAQ and why is it important? IAQ is short for Indoor Air Quality. According to the EPA, indoor air quality refers to the air quality within and around buildings and structures, especially as it relates to the health and comfort of building occupants. Dust is an airborne raft carrying unwanted matter throughout a facility. Cleaning pros help dramatically improve IAQ by removing small, invisible particulates, bacteria, dust, pollen, pet dander. What's an effective way to remove small, invisible particulates? Cleaning experts believe that a strong defense is an indoor cleaning regimen that captures and removes those particulates from the indoor environment. A ProTeam vacuum with pro-level filtration lifts soil and dust from surfaces and sifts out smaller and smaller particles in multiple levels of filtration. By pairing powerful suction with pro-level filtration, ProTeam vacuums are 99.9% effective at capturing and containing particles at 1 micron and larger from surfaces. All ProTeam vacuum systems are tested by a third party for filter efficiency. So why is ProTeam the go-to in vacuuming? ProTeam is a proud partner of the American Lung Association. Together we fight for clean indoor air so we can all breathe easier. What else? The unique ProTeam method of suction vacuuming cleans surfaces while preventing particulates from being reintroduced back into the environment. And how do ProTeam vacuums compare in terms of speed and efficiency? According to ISSA cleaning times, a ProTeam backpack vacuum cleans 3 times faster than a corded upright, while a cordless backpack cleans 5 times faster, giving back valuable time for other cleaning tasks, like disinfecting. ProTeam is committed to leading the Cleaning for Health revolution in our schools and workplaces. Join in cleaning for health with the next generation of vacuums, filters, and tools. Learn more at proteam.emerson.com.